Okay, so after my struggle of getting the steering wheel control work, they were not working properly. And so it wasn't doing anything. Now you got volume up accordingly, right? Volume down. Okay? You ready for this? The wires from Metro themselves, they claim to be correct. But they are not. So you have to switch the white, green, and the gray, red. And that will allow you to work it properly. So what it was doing before, it was auto learning. I held it, tapped it, or did auto. And it didn't do a thing. It still learned. Okay, so it is picking up the idea that you have steering wheel controls. But these were not responsive. Weren't doing anything. The phone call was doing the volume down, right? And this one was doing source. Okay, so this was doing nothing. So after tinkering for about 10 minutes, you have to switch these guys, like I just said. White, green, and gray, red. These are the data wires coming out of, this is pre-wired. No, I didn't do this. This is pre-wired. You see? I didn't do that. That came with the 1731. And so I will leave you with that. And hopefully it works for you, because it does do the same thing with Nissans. You have to switch them. So we do have radio sitting right here. And now we have volume up, responsive, volume down, responsive, source over, source. Now it's working all properly. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.